Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys another blog post from my blog, and this one has to do with creating a beautiful but simple craft for Valentine's Day. And I will talk you through the pictures, and like I said to you guys before, the picture quality is not that great, but you will get the idea of what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So if you would like to see how to make this beautiful Valentine's Day topiary, then stay tuned to this video. The materials that you'll need is a candlestick, a small styrofoam ball, some tacky glue, and flowers of your choice. And I found all these things at Dollar Tree, even the glue. Now the first thing that I did was I glued the styrofoam ball to the candlestick with some E6000 glue, which you can also use the adhesive glue from Dollar Tree, which works just as well. But if you want to reuse your candlestick, this step is not necessary. You can actually do the next step without gluing the ball to the candlestick. For the next step, what you're going to do is you're going to take all the flowers and pull them off the stems, and this is really easy to do with the fake flowers at Dollar Tree. Then you're going to apply a little bit of tacky glue to the flower so that you can attach it to the ball. When I was attaching the flowers to the ball, I like to start at the bottom so that I know I completely fill it all the way around. But you can start on any side that you would like, but you will basically take off the different type of flowers that you want and just keep attaching them until you have the topiary as full as you want it. And that is it, guys, for this simple and easy but beautiful Dollar Tree Valentine's Day DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys recreate this, please tag me on Instagram or even show me the picture down below in the comments area, because I love when you guys take my DIYs and recreate them for your home and for yourselves, and I love to see how you guys put your spin on it. Stay tuned, because I will be bringing you guys some more blog posts that has to do with Valentine's Day and Valentine's Day crafts. So stay tuned for those videos, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.